So we are shooting what's in our bag. So मेरे बैग में क्या है सबसे पहले देखते हैं. It's our pass key for hotel, purse, okay, purse, and then glasses, then lip drip, then I guess one more like glasses. इसके अलावा कैमरा जो इससे मैं शूट कर रही हूँ ये मेरे पर्स में था. लाइक सबसे पहले चीज़ें रख देते हैं. नाउ लेट्स लुक व्हाट्स इन हर बैग बिकॉज ये वाला पर्स छोटा था, इसमें सारी मेन चीज़ें पर ये कम खुलता है क्योंकि बट
So now we
इसके
have a lot of things in my bag. I have first of all umbrella because
okay, my umbrella is in my hand like this.
Yeah, because you never know, whether
It's rainy season.
It's rainy season. You
Yeah.
never know when it will start raining. Also, I have my glasses and the comb because it's too windy here, and since we want to go for photo shoot, so that's why it's important. I have one spec, then my second specs, then my
तूने दो क्यों रखे हैं भाई?
क्योंकि वो इसमें रखे रहते हैं हमेशा, मुझे पता है इसमें रखे रहते हैं चीज़ें. देन माई आई कॉन्टेक्ट लेंस सॉल्यूशन, दिस इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स फॉर
जो कि
दिस.
हमने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं करा है.
पता नहीं हमारी एनर्जी ड्रेन ही नहीं हुई है. सम फ्लावर्स विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम हेयर, एंड ये मैंने कर लिया था. माइट बी
दिस इज वी थॉट ये वो शैम्पू वाला स्टिक नहीं होता, इसमें से शैम्पू निकालते हैं. इसकी जो स्मेल है ना वो ऐसे केमिकल वाली जैसे शार जेलो शैम्पू में से आती है वैसी ही स्मेल है इसकी.
इट्स टू गुड.
एंड देन
Also we have
shells
collected some shells from
from
the
beach.
beach, so I have kept it. Also
then one leaf.
yeah, this leaf, it's too beautiful. I like the color, so that's why I just take it.
Yeah.
And this is my
लेंस
lens.
खोल के दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah. Also I don't know, I have kept this, but this is eyeshadow palette and a sanitizer I kept because
आई लेंस को चेंज करने के लिए.
because I'll just change my lens again and again. Sometime I wear my specs, sometime lens, so that's why I just keep it. A little cute comb that we got from hotel. Batteries for our camera, and what is this? This is
A
toothbrush.
toothbrush.
I don't know why I have this hanky because I have cold. And what else? Wait a minute. This is
Scrunchie.
Scrunchie is very important because it's too windy here. If you come with open hair, your hair will look gonna mess.
Adapter, power adapter.
Yeah. This is, I don't know why I have kept this again, but this.
You have not even closed it. Like
Yeah. And this is my power bank, and it's
power
charging.
bank was in my bag, so yeah, this is all. Some flowers and some things.
Power cable,
USB cable
USB cable, lip tint,
lipstick
lipstick.
and lip glosses भी होंगे इधर ही.
We
So
have lot of
that's
things.
all we are
But we
doing.
don't
this.
have water. We have all of
We
these things.
yes, we forgot to add water bottle. Actually, I used to carry my bag, like shoulder bag, but it has some important documents, so we just left it at the hotel because the security is there is so tight, so we do not have to worry about anything.
And we are here since I think 3:30, but we are, we didn't even have water. But
Yeah.
we are not that.
Actually, I'm not even liking the taste of water here. Like जब हम इंडिया में होते हैं तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है क्लोरीन का पानी होता है, तो some people doesn't like that taste. तो यहाँ पे भी कोई ऐसा केमिकल डाला गया है something which has a taste which I don't like. So
And yeah, my earphones.
yeah, earphones, my earphones, sorry. So just look at the view. It's already turning dark.